guys, how are you? Tell me one thing. What is that one thing that motivates you to work hard? What is that one thing that pushes you to work hard? Isn't that money? Isn't somewhere we all are inclined towards money? Now, here, so many of you are pursuing the course company secretary. Some of you are considering, still in the confusion state, whether to take up this course or not. Some of you are planning, should I quit this course? So why so much confusions? One thing that is there in your head is, I'm putting in so much effort for this course, 3 levels of exam along with articleship. Will I get sufficient return from this course? What is the salary I can expect after becoming company secretary? Is what we are going to see now. Now, salary is determined based on what? Salary is determined based on demand and supply, right? Anything in the market, whether it is any product or any course, how is it determined? How is the value of that product or course is determined? It is based on demand and supply. Demand is more, there is less supply, then there is huge value for that course or product, right? So let us see what is the demand for the course company secretary. Is there demand or not? First, let us check that. Now, there are how many companies in India? There are around 20 lakh companies. So when there are so many companies, who are needed? Company secretaries are needed, because company secretary is the one who handles all the compliance of a company, right? Now, how many company secretaries are there in India? There are around 75,000 company secretaries in India. That's all. Look at the massive gap. Now, this shows how much demand company secretary has and the supply is very, very less. India needs more and more company secretaries. And among this 75,000, how many are active company secretaries? How many are skilled company secretaries who can sustain in the market? Even that is a question. So, first thing, demand is there or not? Yes, demand is there for this course. Is it huge? Huge demand is there for this course. Now, let us come to the very important question. Okay, demand is there, but what is the salary I can expect as a fresher? So you complete 3 levels of exam along with articleship. After you finish this, you will become member of ICSI. You will get membership, ICSI membership. Then you will be a company secretary. Now, when you enter the market, you will be a fresher company secretary. As a fresher company secretary, how much salary can I expect is the question. You can expect anywhere between 6 lakh rupees to 12 lakh per annum. This is the salary that you can expect, easily between 6 lakh to 12 lakh. Now, why am I putting this limit 6 lakh to 12 lakh? Why can't I just directly say 8 lakhs, 7 lakhs? Because this determines based on student to student. So this is completely based on student. How much skill that student has. Now, what is the skill? You must have heard this one word, skill. Upskill yourself. Just studying is not sufficient. Exam is not sufficient. You need to have skills. Now here, there are a lot of skills. It could be communication skills. It could be your interpretation skills. So many of them. Now, is communication skill something that you can just learn overnight? No, it is by consistent practice. You as a student, what is that one thing that you need to focus now which can boost your salary as a fresher? It is knowledge. So many students just deviate from this basic thing of knowledge. Knowledge is in your hand. It is something you can actually gain. Gain as much as knowledge. You have such amazing subjects. Company law, securities law, have great hold on this. Get in depth of company law. The more and more in depth you go in company law, that much capable you are to get great salary. So have really, really good knowledge, especially company law, securities law. Just go in depth. Connect your subject with real world. Just pick a company, randomly pick up a company, whichever company interests you. Pick up a listed company. That listed company, let's say it does bonus issue. Check the provision of bonus issue, connect it. That is how you need to connect the subject with the real world. And that differentiates you. Now, once exam is done, you all are same. Doesn't matter which attempt, how many attempts you took, doesn't matter. Once you are out in the market as a company secretary, you all are company secretary on the same level. But what differentiates you guys is the amount of knowledge you have and how you present that knowledge, that you can think about it later. Right now, as a student, what you can actually do, gain knowledge, as much as knowledge as possible. Now, there are so many students who have cracked the exam, but they wouldn't be knowing even the foundational knowledge. No, that is not how things should work. Why? Because this is not just normal degree course. No, it is a professional course. You will be handling compliance of a company. You will be in the top management. You will be in the top position of the company. You will be interacting with board of directors. Imagine the amount of knowledge you should have. That differentiates you and another person who does not have knowledge. And you know what is that one thing knowledge gives? Knowledge gives you confidence, and that confidence is sufficient to back great pay. So that confidence will directly give you great salary. So to get that confidence, you need to have knowledge. So please, students, focus on gaining really good knowledge. So this is the pay that a fresher CS can expect, anywhere between 6 lakhs to 12 lakh. Now there are so many students who have gotten pay 15 lakh, 16 lakh as a fresher. That again depends on various other factors. Yes, knowledge is one factor, and the amount of experience you gain in articleship. Articleship is your training period that gives you the place where you can gain as much as knowledge possible, gain it, and that will directly determine your fresher pay. Now you must have heard in the market, they for CS pay is just 5 lakh, 4 lakh. Don't get into that loop itself, because you should be confident that demand is there. I have knowledge. I have good knowledge. I have required whatever skills are there. I have gained through articleship. You should be confident first. At that time, why will you not get great pay? If you see like that, any profession, there is lesser salaries there. There is someone who is earning very less salary, and there is someone who is drawing really good salary just as a fresher. So be in that mindset that right now what I can do, I can gain knowledge, gain it. Once you enter articleship, what you can do, gain as much as experience possible, and there whatever skills you can upgrade, keep upgrading yourself, keeping yourself updated with law, latest amendments. You are updated with everything. You are updated with news, all the relevant news that is required for you. At that time, you are unstoppable. And again, I'm repeating, it is going to give you confidence. Confidence is about everything. Confidence can give great pay, great respect, everything. So this is the salary of a fresher. Now, how much salary I can expect after years of experience? Now see, fresher salary is dependent again on a factor called as luck, somewhere maybe contacts. Again, where do you enter? Do you enter a company or do you enter a firm? In company, you can expect a bit more salary, but exposure would be limited. But in firm, salary would be less, but you will have great exposure. So it depends what matters to you. Is it that initial pay? You are someone who just want to be in company only, then get into company. But you are someone who wants to have great exposure and you want to start your independent practice. You don't want to be an employee under someone. You want to be your own boss, have the practice. At that time, get into firm. Even if pay is less, you will get great exposure. And with that exposure, you can start your own practice. And once you enter practice, initially Now practice is just like a business. Initially, until the product is sold, nobody will come to you. But once you get recognized in the market, there is no looking back. It's just insane. It's great pay, great demand. So this is as a fresher. Now, after years of experience, how much salary can I expect? And one more thing here, what students say is, now a person who has done any other graduation would be expecting the same salary, is what a lot of students say. Even a regular graduate would expect somewhere salary between 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Why should I put in so much effort and get the same pay? You are only seeing the pay as a fresher. What about the pay? What about the increment that you will have? What about 5 years later? Will a company secretary and any other graduate, will their position be same? Will their designation be same? Will their pay be same? Will respect be same? No. The person who is a normal graduate would not have the same designation as CS, would not have the same respect as CS. So don't just see as a fresher what is the value. Also see what value you will have after 5 years, after 10 years. It's insane. You will be heading legal and compliance department. Will other graduate head any department? No, you will be heading legal and compliance department. And other graduates, do they have option of practice and all? Not every profession has the opportunity of practice, right? Not every graduate can. So you have also an option to practice. So think bigger picture. So those who say that what so much effort you are putting and this much salary you are getting, don't listen to them. Stay focused, be determined, be passionate about this course. This course will give you respect and pay. Now, what is the salary? How much salary? What is the highest paid salary of a CS? CS Dev Bajpayee, Hindustan Unilever Company Secretary, is drawing a salary of 5.5 crore. With just 20 years of experience, what is the salary CS is getting? 5.5 crore. Now, can I fall in this bracket? Of course, yes. The next one, CS Karan Singh, drawing the salary of 10.38 crore. CS Jayesh Merchant, drawing the salary of 3.22 crore. All of these are top company secretaries who are drawing salaries in crores. Can I draw this much? Yes. This completely determines how smart you are in the market. Once you enter as a fresher is one thing. After you enter, how much skills you will develop, how updated you are, how professional, what kind of professional personality you have. All of that factors can give you great pay. And trust me, if you work towards this profession passionately, you can expect salary of 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 20 years down the lane, 30 years down the lane. Yes, 20 years down the lane, you can expect such whooping salary. It is possible. So yes, students, if you are confused about salary, if you had doubt that will this profession give me the return, how much effort I'm putting, what is the future, don't think about it. It is a great profession which has great pay. It is a recognized profession. So more and more companies are coming up. Need for company secretaries will keep growing. So trust yourself, be confident with yourself. Do not deviate by these things that what is this, no salary, no scope, nothing. There is huge salary. And again, I'm telling, what is that one thing you can do as a student? Please do that. That is gaining knowledge. Don't be too much distracted by doing multiple things at one single time. Right now, you're a student, gain knowledge. Once you enter your articleship, you can keep upgrading your skills every single day. And there is no looking back. It's a great profession. Yes, this is about salary of a company secretary. So if I have to give a breakdown, 6 lakh to 12 lakh is what you can expect as a fresher. And then after good 3-4 years of experience, you can expect anywhere between 12 lakhs to 20 lakhs. And then there is no upper limit. And that fully determines on how you are in the company or in your practice. So, yes, students, this is about salary of a company secretary. All right, thank you.